Hello students, today we are going to see the 19th chapter of Social Science, India, Human Lifestyle. We are proud that we are born in India. Our country is situated on the southern side of Asia. It has been gifted by three seasons: cold, warm and rainy. Earlier, you studied that India is a diversified country with reference to relief features and climate. So many changes are seen in food, dressing, dwellings, language, dialects, festivals, holidays, etc. Thus, India is a multicolored nation showing unity in diversity. When we are talking about relief and climate, it has a clear impact on the food and dress. The staple food of people living near seacoast is rice and fish. Wheat is the main crop in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Punjab. And the people who are living in this particular region, they use wheat preparations. Similarly, relief and climate have a strong impact on the dressing. The costume of people in colder and mountainous region is woolen and covers entire body. Similarly, people living in the region experiencing high temperature throughout the year, they put on cotton dresses. They are light in color and they are also loose fitting. Nowadays, men put on pant and shirt, and women they put on salwar kameez in every state. India can be divided into four zones according to the lifestyle: Western India, Northern India, Southern India, and Eastern India. Now we are going to learn about the lifestyle in the respective regions. And first of all, we are going to see the lifestyle of Western India. First thing, the major states of Western India, they are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Goa. And it also includes union territories like Div Daman, Dadra, and Nagar Haveli. Food. See the food of the people living in this particular states. The staple food in Rajasthan is millet and dal bati, rotli, bhakri and vegetables, dal and rice. Khichdi and kadhi, it is the main items of the food of the Gujarati people. The people of Maharashtra, they prefer sev usul, and people living in coastal regions, they eat mainly fish and rice. Gujaratis, they are basically traders, as they are required to go to distant places for trading. So durable items for breakfast like thepla, gantia, dry kachori, khakra, sukuri, these are the common food among the people. Now about the dressing. Rajasthan is a dry and desert area, hence there is a less diversity in vegetation. This defect is overcome by them through colorful dresses. Men generally wear dhoti, angakha and colorful headgear, that is pagadi. Women they put on sari, petticoat and blouse. Traditional dress of men in Maharashtra is dhoti and pehran, and they wear a cap or a headgear on the head. Women they wear sari in Maharashtrian way. The traditional dress in Madhya Pradesh is similar to that of the neighboring states of Gujarat and Maharashtra. In Goa, men wear dhoti and pehran. Women they wear petticoat, blouse, and sari. So this is the there sometimes we have seen that there is a strong Western impact in the dresses in Goa. Thus, every region has its own characteristics in their dressing. Traditional dressing of Gujarat, man they put on dhoti with a white cap or a headgear, turban on head, while women they put on sari, petticoat and blouse. The traditional attire for man in Maharashtra is dhoti and pehran, a turban on the head. Women they put a typical Maharashtrian style sari. The traditional dressing of people in Maharashtra uh, to Madhya Pradesh, it resembles very much to the neighboring states like Maharashtra and Gujarat. Goa also, men put on dhoti and pehran, and women they put on sari, petticoat and blouse. However, a western effect is distinctly seen on dressing in Goa, and every region has a traditional characteristics regarding its dressing. Now the dwelling. Dwelling is the types of houses, residing places. There is a less rainfall in Rajasthan due to desert. So most of the houses they have flat top. Rural people they live in the houses that is made of grass and soil. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Goa, the people live in the modern types of buildings that is made from brick and cement. And forest dwellers, or the people living in the mountainous area, they stay in their scattered huts. Roofs of the buildings in Konkan, which receives heavy rainfall, are slant. Dwellings in Kutch, Gujarat, they are known as bunga. These bungas were least damaged during the earthquake of 26th January 2001. Now, the language. Rajasthani people mainly speak Hindi while Marwadi language is spoken in Marwad. Gujarati is the main language of people in Gujarat. Kutchi dialect is spoken in Kutch. Hindi is the main language in Madhya Pradesh. Marathi and Konkani are also languages spoken in Maharashtra and Goa. Regional dialects are spoken according to the area of respective states. Next is the festivals and holidays. Indians celebrate many festivals and holidays. Kalidas, the great poet, said that the human beings are fond of festivals. Indians celebrate many festivals. Rajasthan has peculiar type of folk songs and folk dances. Festival of Holi and Ganagaur are celebrated with great pomp. Ghumar, Kachigori and Kalbelia are the famous folk dances of Rajasthan. Gujarat is world famous for the Ras Garba. Maharashtra celebrates Ganesh Chaturthi festival with great pomp. And Lavdi dance is also a very famous dance in Maharashtra. Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, Shivratri is celebrated with much enthusiasm. People in Western India they celebrate festivals like Diwali, Shivratri, Dashera, Eid, Muharram, Christmas, Mahavir Jayanti, Patiti, etc. Apart from that, Buddha Jayanti and some other festivals are also celebrated respectively. Fairs. Pushkar in Rajasthan and Sidhpur in Gujarat are known for their camel trade on Kartik Purnima, that is full moon day. A fair is conducted for trading donkeys at Wauta of Dholka Taluka in Gujarat. Other famous fairs in Gujarat are Tarnetar Fair near Thangad, Bhavnath Fair in Junagadh, Dang Darbar Fair in Dangs, Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh, Nasik in Maharashtra. They are famous for holding Ardh Kumbh Fair, and Goa is famous for its carnivals. In the Adik, that is additional Bhadarvo month occurring after every 18 years, a fair is organized at Bhadbut in Vagra Taluka of Bharuch district. Now we are going to see the lifestyle of North India. North India includes the states of Punjab, Haryana, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Delhi, etc. Punjab is the land of five rivers. Due to its natural beauty, Jammu Kashmir is considered to be the heaven of the earth. Uttarakhand is a mountainous region and it is also known as Devbhumi. Himachal Pradesh is also a mountainous state. Uttar Pradesh is a part of the fertile plain of Ganga and Yamuna, and Delhi is the national capital of India. Now we are going to see the food. Meat is the staple food in Punjab and Haryana. Punjabi people use tandoori roti made from wheat and a variety of parathas. Paneer based mixed vegetables is a special choice of Punjabis. Lassi is well known drink in Punjab. Main food of people from Jammu Kashmir is rice, meat and fish. Roti, dal and rice is the staple food of the people in Uttar Pradesh. Dressing. Women they wear salwar kameez and men they wear loose shirts and salwar and Punjabi styled headgear. Kashmiri people they wear Kashmiri dress during winter. They put on woolen clothes. Gents they put on cap and ladies they wear scarf on the head. People in Uttar Pradesh they wear dhoti and pehran and tie a scarf on the head. Ladies they wear sari, petticoat and blouse. Dwelling. Punjab and Haryana, they get less rainfall. So the buildings there have flat rooftops. Urban people live in the buildings made of bricks and cement. Wood is used more in the construction of houses in Jammu Kashmir. In Himachal and Uttarakhand, people live in two-story buildings. Animals, they are kept in the ground floor so that their heat keeps up the wooden first floor warmer. Such buildings are useful during snowfall. The roofs are slopy, smooth rocks are used as roof tiles so that the snow on the rooftops easily slide down. In Uttar Pradesh, urban people they live in the houses made from brick and cement. Language: Punjabi people they speak Punjabi language and Haryani language is spoken by Haryana. People of Uttar Pradesh they use Hindi and Urdu. Urdu is major language in Jammu Kashmir. Kashmiri and Dongri languages are also spoken there. Besides Hindi, Gharwali and Kumaon dialects are also spoken in Uttarakhand. The state language of Himachal Pradesh is Pahari. Moreover, local dialects are spoken in remote area of the each state. Now, the festival and the holidays. Baisakhi and Nahari are the major festivals in Punjab. It is also known as Lohri. Bhangra is a famous folk dance of Punjab. Eid and Moharram festivals they are celebrated in Jammu Kashmir. Dasera is celebrated in a special way in Kullu of Himachal Pradesh. Holi is the major festival in Uttar Pradesh. Kathak is a well-known dance style of Uttar Pradesh. Besides festivals like Shivratri, Ram Navami, Christmas, Janmashtami, etc. are celebrated in Uttar Pradesh. Fairs. Kullu's Dashera fair is a well-known fair. In Punjab, a martyrs fair is held. Kumbh Mela and Magh Mela, they are famous fairs of Allahabad and Uttar Pradesh. In Uttarakhand, Kumbh and Earth fairs are famous. Now we are going to see the lifestyle of the people of the southern India. The states like Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Union Territories of Puducherry are included in South India. Southern India is a peninsula and its state has sea coast. As it is surrounded by water, sea water, water bodies on the three sides. Food. In southern states, rice and fish from the is the main diet. Idli, dosa, mendu vada, etc., along with the coconut chutney, are famous rice preparation of southern India. They eat rasam, which is like dal, which is gravy in their meal. Coconut leaves are used as dish in Kerala. Dressing. Due to hot and humid weather in South India, people wear loose garments, lungi, paharen, case on the shoulder, and a headgear rather common clothing among men. Women wear sari in southern style, petticoat and blouse. Keralites, they wear lungi or short dhoti. Ladies put on flower strips on their head. Dwellings. People live in the houses of brick and cement. Modern housing is seen in Bengaluru and Chennai. People live near sea coast use coconut leaves in their huts. A rangoli is a daily routine in South India. Language. Languages in South India belong to Dravid family of languages. Kannada language is spoken in Karnataka. Other languages spoken are Telugu in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Tamil in Tamil Nadu, and Malayalam in Kerala. Festivals and holidays. Andhra Pradesh is famous for its Kuchipudi dance. Shivratri, Makar Sankranti, and Baisakhi festivals are celebrated there. Mysore in Karnataka celebrates Dashera, Eid, and Navratri festivals. Kathakali is a well-known dance of Kerala. Onam, Christmas, Eid, Shivratri are other festivals celebrated in Kerala. Bharatnatyam is very famous dance style of Tamil Nadu and Pongal is its main festivals. Now we are going to see the lifestyle of Eastern India. The states of Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Assam Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Sikkim, Tripura, Meghalaya, etc. are included in eastern India, and of this, Odisha and West Bengal they have sea coast. Let us see about the food. People in Bihar, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh and West Bengal, they eat roti vegetables, but they also use rice in their meals. Rice is a staple food or staple diet in a mountainous region. They also use pulses, green vegetables in their meals. Rasgulla and sandesh are the favorite sweets of West Bengal. Even sattu, it is also known as sattu, is a special dish eaten in Bihar. Kheer is a widespread drink in Assam. Dressing. Bihari people they wear dhoti, chapo, and keys on shoulder and a pug that is headgear. Pagadi. It is also known as pagadi. Women put on sari, petticoat, and blouse. There is not much difference in the attire of the people in Jharkhand, Assam, and Odisha. Bengali ladies they wear sari in a Bengali style, and gents they put on plaited that is folds, dhoti, and silken chapo. Dwellings. People in a plain region live in houses made of bricks and cement. People in mountainous region they are using wood and bamboo in their houses. Slanting roofs are seen in the regions of heavy rainfall. In Bengal, there is a pukur. Pukur is a small pond in which the fish is reared for the family, for the house, and it is used for the daily purpose in their meals. Language. Hindi is spoken in Jharkhand, Bihar, and Chhattisgarh. Maithili, Bhojpuri, and Magadhi are dialects spoken in Bihar. Assami is spoken in Assam. Udia is spoken in Odisha. Bengali is spoken in Bengal, and other spoken languages in the respective states. Garo and Khasi, the other languages spoken in Meghalaya, and Mizo dialect is used in Mizoram. Now, the festival and holidays of the Eastern India. Bihu of Assam and Odissi in Orissa, they are the famous dance styles. The chariot procession of Jagannath Puri is world famous. The festivals of Chhath and Bhai Dooj in Bihar and Durga Puja in Bengal are celebrated with great pomp and enthusiasm. This particular festivals they are also celebrated in all over the other states of the country. Thus, every state has its own festivals and holidays. India is a secular country, and every state celebrates religious and national festivals. In India, festivals of all religions are celebrated without any partiality. In different regions of India, people use the edible oil made from the oilseeds grown in that region. For example, groundnut oil is used in Gujarat, mustard oil is used in North India, and coconut oil is used in southern India. They are used as edible oils as per the crops grown in that particular region. I think you have understood the chapter. Once again, go through the chapter, read each and every line, and then try to understand it. Thank you.